This is the Genesis GV80. Available on the Genesis GV80, the in-car Wi-Fi capability can combine with Amazon Music streaming to allow in-car access to music, podcasts, and more from your Amazon Music account. To use these services, you must have an active Genesis Connected Services account, as well as a paid and active Amazon Music Prime or Amazon Music Unlimited account. All new Genesis vehicles can be enrolled in GCS by a Genesis retailer or on owners.genesis.com and then activated in-car. When enrolling, be sure to include Wi-Fi in your selections. Genesis Connected Services subscribers are eligible for a 3-month or 3 GB free trial to in-car Wi-Fi, whichever comes first. Now that you are enrolled in GCS, next head to the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app and press Utilities and then Subscriptions. Under Wi-Fi Hotspot, press Manage. You should see your active Wi-Fi hotspot trial. Press Link, Unlink Streaming Account, and then press Link to connect. You may be prompted to log into your Amazon Music account to link it to your GCS account. Setup can also be completed on the owners.genesis.com website. After logging in, click Account and then the My Vehicles tab. Click to expand the Add-on Subscriptions section and then click Link Unlink Streaming Account. Click Link and then you may be prompted to log into your Amazon Music account to connect to GCS. Once Amazon Music is linked, start your Genesis vehicle and press the Home button. Navigate to Amazon Music and select from recommendations or your favorite music, playlists, or artists. Once your Genesis Wi-Fi hotspot trial is expired, you'll need to provide a payment method and register for a paid Verizon wireless data subscription to continue using Wi-Fi hotspot to access Amazon Music. For help with registering and enabling your in-car Wi-Fi hotspot, be sure to watch our how-to video here. To disconnect Amazon Music streaming on the Genesis Intelligent Assistant app, press Utilities and then Subscriptions. Under Wi-Fi Hotspot, press Manage and then Link Unlink. Press Unlink to disconnect Amazon Music streaming. Alternatively, you can head to owners.genesis.com and select Account and then My Vehicles. Under Add-on Subscriptions, click Link Unlink Streaming Account and then Unlink. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.